The iconic Samba just got a football-inspired upgrade. But is it worth it? Let's get into it. I'm Richard. I'm a fashion stylist and lifestyle entrepreneur, and today we are going to be reviewing the Samba LT. We're going to go over the comfortability, sizing, price, and overall style. For those who are unfamiliar, the Samba traditionally was a football shoe in the 1950s. So this new silhouette is an archival callback to its original heritage. So then let's get into the size and fit. Adidas says it's a regular fit. Honestly, I would tell you to get true to size. Just know that this shoe is very narrow. So if you have a wider foot, you may want to size up as well, or this may not be a shoe for you. The current Samba LT uses a leather upper, synthetic sock liner, a rubber outsole, lace closures, and of course the aforementioned regular fit. Now, what makes this shoe so distinctly soccer inspired is the tongue. It gives it a more fashion forward silhouette. It also just changes the proportion of the traditional Samba. Some people hate it. I found it to be charming in a fashionable way. One thing I will mention is sometimes this tongue, you do have to move a little just to make it lay flat, but once you break the shoe in, I don't think that will necessarily detract from the shoe. If you're someone who is less fashion forward, I would tell you to just get a traditional Samba and add that to your rotation instead. Now, I'd be remiss if I didn't go over how to style this specific shoe. If you want more of a relaxed, casual look, think your baggy denim. If you want something more elevated, think wide leg trousers. Honestly, I would tell you to lean towards something that is a little more sporty or athletic when wearing these shoes. Now let's go over some of the cons of the shoe. Really, there aren't too many from a fashion trend perspective. Though Sambas aren't at their height of their popularity like they were a year or two ago, they are still a solid shoe to add to your rotation. I will say specifically for this pair, when it comes to the toe box, there will be some creasing that will happen just due to walking around and breaking the shoes in. Some of the other cons mostly are related to if you just don't like the long tongue. So ultimately, is it worth it? Let's go over the price. While most traditional Sambas are going to be priced around $98, the Samba LT is going to be upwards to $130 or $140. So the question is, do you want to pay an extra $30 to $40 for a design element? That's up to you. As for me, I say yes, but let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.